Your doggy? Are you guys looking out the window? Oh, then you can get kissed. You guys gonna look for the train? Is there a choo-choo train? Benjamin! Is anything out that window? Front porch? What's out there? There's still a lot of snow outside, huh? Oh, you're strong. You see all that snow? Hopefully soon spring will be here, huh? But it's only the beginning of February. Oh, are you lying down? Are you taking a nap? Benjamin! Be careful.